Okay, fine.
Nandiyan yung paborito mo customer. Ayun mo. Hindi nakahanda ka na bang for of the day?
Wow, ganda naman niya ngayon.
Seryoso, Jazz?
Bakit kasalanan niyo bang ganda araw-araw?
Diyan ka na.
One hazelnut blended for you, man.
I'll hold the door, please come in and just sit here for a while. This is my way of telling you I need you in my life. It's so cold without your touch, I've been dreaming way too much. Can we just turn this into reality?
Oh, napansin ka ba? Ikaw kasi.
Oh, fuck! My God! Bakit ngayon ka? Are you serious?
Ma'am, may problema siya.
Yeah. I got this freaking virus on my laptop. May presentation pa naman ako bukas. Paano to? Saan ko na-recover yung files?
Ma'am, baka magawa natin ng malakas
Pag-aasawa. Really? Sure.
He's the kind of guy who will lie through his teeth when he needs to fake it. And he'll make you smile for a while till he needs someone to play with.
Hi, ma'am. Kamusta naman po yung presentation?
Oh, hi, Justin. Thank you so much. You are my hero. It was a success. I can really never thank you enough.
Come on, Felix.
Justin, this is the passport.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you again.
Jazz, pinapahiling ng tricks yung Ashley dun sa kanya.
Ayun, alam mo naman umiiwas na ako.
Ano ba naman yan? Ilalapag lang eh. Arte.
Ma'am, Ashley niyo.
Akin.
Ay,
Ano ba?
Pang table pa.
Ako yung nagpakuha nito. Akin na. Hey, Justin. For you.
So don't you do it, no.